Hi, and welcome to the fourth and last video about how to write a poster. This video will be focused on how to write a scientific poster and some tips to create it. Welcome, and let's start. A scientific poster is a visual presentation of scientific research in a standard form, with heading, name of the researcher, name of the research institute, text, tables, and illustration displaying the results of the research. Here are some tips you can follow to write a scientific poster. The information you can get across on a poster is very limited, so choose a single aspect of your research that you think you can explain fully in a small amount of text and graphics and focus on that one alone. The flow of your poster should be natural and obvious to the reader. Work out the type of layouts that you think work well. Number 3. Don't use color schemes that are bold or wacky. Don't use more than 2 font types. Don't use all capital letters. Don't use ridiculous fonts like Comic Sans. Number 4. Passerby will look at the title first, so make it as interesting and informative as possible. Use a font that can be read from 3 to 5 meters away. A font size of around 60 to 90 point should suffice. Number 5. Your brilliant title has drawn the attention of the passerby. Now, to keep their interest, make sure your poster mainly uses figures to tell your story. Avoid large blocks of text. Make your figures visually appealing and self-explanatory. Your passerby will lose interest if they have to read a lot of text to work out. Number 6. Organize the information. This is really important. Here are some parts of the scientific poster so you can organize the information well. We have 3 different parts: the introduction, the research, and the results. In the introduction includes introduction, condensed abstract, background, hypothesis, objectives, and purpose. The research part includes materials, methodology, analyses, models, results, and finally, the results, which include conclusion, recommendation, implication, discussion, acknowledgements, and contact information. Don't forget to write your information so people know who the poster belongs to. Tip 7. On a poster, text is the enemy. People need to get into your story very quickly. Write a text and then go over it again and again. Remove anything that is not completely necessary. If you must have text, keep your sentences short and use bullet points. Number 8. Don't cram your poster full of information. Blank space makes the poster seem less complicated and more approachable, which help attract people to your poster. You can use blank space to accentuate important parts of the poster as well. Number 9. Ask a friend to look at your poster before you print it, preferably a scientist or a teacher who is not familiar with the exact subject area. Take on board their comments about the poster's readability and overall appeal. Number 10. Put your email address on your poster. This will allow people to catch up with you later if you are not around. When presenting it, stay with your poster and offer to talk people through it. Tip 11. The great thing about this is that your file can be sent directly to printers for printing when you are done. There exist some websites that can do this job. Posterpresentation.com has some great layouts that will help you. Other tools can be PowerPoint, Canvas, Publishit, CorelDRAW, LaTeX, among others. Just choose a layout that fits the space allocated to you by the poster session organizer. Well, That is all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.